Hey y'all, happy summer. May is over and it's time to cook the May recipe on the back of my recipes calendar. I'm pretty sure whoever created this calendar is not from the South, because if they were, they would not have us baking in June. But here we are, June 1st, and we're preheating the oven to 350 degrees. Today we're making mini chocolate chip muffins from the back of the May page. And it's a really simple recipe, but we're gonna go through it today, and I'm gonna cook muffins in the summer. I've got my ingredients here. For this recipe, you'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 of a cup granulated sugar, 1 cup buttermilk at room temperature, 2 large eggs at room temperature, 3 teaspoons baking powder, 1/2 cup melted butter, and 1.5 cups of semi-sweet chocolate morsels. I bought the mini ones because they're going to go in mini muffins. I've also got my muffin tin here ready with the little mini muffin cups already in it. And then we're just gonna mix this up in the bowl and it'll be ready to bake. I'm going to start by mixing the dry ingredients in the bowl. So that's 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 of a cup granulated sugar, and 3 teaspoons baking powder. I'm just gonna give that all a stir to mix it up. I'm gonna set that aside and get my wet ingredients together. I'm gonna take my 2 eggs, whisk that up with my buttermilk and my melted butter. Now I'm going to add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. And I want to mix them just enough to get them wet. They don't have to be beaten. You don't want to do this in an electric mixer. If you over mix it, it'll make your muffins kind of tough. So you just want to mix it completely, but it's okay if it's a little lumpy. You just want to make sure all of the dry ingredients get wet, but it's okay that there's some lumps still in there. So all my dry ingredients are now moistened, and the next thing I'm going to do is fold in all of these luscious chocolate morsels. Dump them all in there and then just fold all that in. You can see this is very chocolatey. Just gonna get those even as much as I can. Break up any large concentration of them. And now I'm just gonna spoon it into my cups. It's about 1.5 tablespoons in each cup. So now I've got these into my pan in their little cups, and they're gonna go into the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes until a pick inserted into them comes out clean. Okay, so here we go. Our mini muffins are ready. I'm gonna peel one off here, peel its little paper off. It's a perfect little bite-sized muffin. Delicious. Do one more. Let's try this. The little paper peels right off. It's a perfect size, just pop it in your mouth. I didn't think I was gonna like these, but they're really quite good. I like that better than a cookie, I think. So that's the mini chocolate chip muffins. I'll put the recipe on my blog at ggburch.com. And if you want to see my other recipe videos, they're here on YouTube. Just check the playlist at the end of this video. Next month, we'll be making stuffed shells with meat sauce. Thanks for watching. Bye.